I'm here today with a fun video of travel must-haves. I have done a few trips already this year, one to Vegas, one to Disney, and then we have Scotland, Mexico, the Bahamas, New Buffalo, Michigan, and back to Disney this year, so 4 planned. So we've got like a busy year planned, and I'm all about like travel, having things that just make my life a little bit easier, a little bit more convenient. And so I'm gonna share with you a few Amazon things that I love for travel. So hopefully this will help your travel journeys be a little bit easier too. I have so much travel stuff, but I'm only gonna limit this to like 5 or 6 things. So if you guys love these type of videos, please subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below. Give this a thumbs up. I do have other Amazon videos as well, so make sure you watch those. But let's just jump into some of my favorite Amazon travel must-haves. So the first, I'm gonna post a little picture here. This was genius. I bought this cup holder for my Bob stroller actually because it fits my Stanley cup. And I watched a TikTok, I've seen actually a couple now, of using that cup holder on your luggage. So I'm gonna show you a picture. I posted this on Instagram. It's absolutely genius. If you were in the airport for, you know, a layover or whatever, and you like to get your Starbucks or your coffee or your, I don't know, Diet Coke, whatever it is, sometimes it's like kind of annoying trying to carry that and like roll your stroller, especially if you have kids too, like you have to hold your kids' hands. It just gets to be a lot. So this clips right on to your roll-on luggage, and then you don't have to be holding your coffee. It also has a little slot for your phone too, so I'll show you up here because it's in my suitcase. But this was so handy. I used this when we went to Disneyland, and I was traveling by myself because Ted was meeting me there, and it was just so nice and so convenient, like having a little place to put my Starbucks. And it seems kind of silly, but honestly, it's like absolutely genius. Ted and I are people that travel with pillows, like we bring our own pillow, and we have big memory foam pillows. And those things, one, take up half my suitcase, literally half my suitcase, and they weigh a lot. So then I'm always over and it takes up too much space. And I feel like it's just been really hard for like traveling with it. And so I was like, I need to find a good memory foam pillow that is small and compact because we're going to Scotland. We have a couple overseas trips. And I don't want to have half of my suitcase taking up by a pillow. So I found this, and I actually tested it when we went to Disney. I only brought this. I didn't bring my normal pillow, and I slept great. It's so comfortable. It is a lot smaller than my normal pillow, but I slept amazing. So it rolls up to be this size. So it's super travel friendly. It comes in a little case. I just used my regular pillowcase on it. But obviously, like, I'm sure you can find like small pillowcases. I hate to open this because now this is going to have to get like stuffed back in here, but that's okay. It'll give Ted like something fun to do. So I got this both for Ted and I thought, oh gosh, on our trip to Scotland, this is going to be so nice on the plane too, because it doesn't take up a ton of room, so you could stick it in your carry-on. And it's going to have to like, mine, I wish I had mine because I really hate that I'm taking this one out, but that's okay. Oof, okay. So it's got to like fluff itself up, but this is how big it is. It's actually like such a perfect size. The memory foam has to like expand. So I'd recommend like letting it air itself out. But honestly, I just had it like this with the pillowcase on it, and I just like folded it and stuck it into my carry-on, and it was perfect. It's absolutely so comfortable memory foam. It's awesome. So if you travel a lot, if you camp, if you're a person that likes to take your pillow with you, I definitely recommend getting this pillow because it was a perfect test at Disney. I slept amazing, and then now that's going to be my travel pillow, and it's no longer going to be like my massive memory foam that I always bring. Okay, the next are these little hand sanitizers. These are new ones that I just bought because I already used up almost half of one at Disney. So they're really nice because they're very slim. And like if you like to carry a belt bag, which I do, especially at Disney or when I'm traveling, because it's just easy, it's convenient, everything is close to me. These are just really nice. They do sell them at like Sephora and stuff too, but I found these new scents at on Amazon, and I ordered them because I originally bought one at Sephora. So this one comes in a few different scents. Which ones are these? Woo! I loved the little smiley face. I thought they were so cute. These would be great for kids, easy to slip in their backpacks, but I just love how thin this is to go in my purse It doesn't take up a ton of room. I also like that it's a spray and not a gel. It just dries a lot faster, and I don't know, I just prefer this over that. So we have Beach Cocoa, Mango Passion, and Citrus Grove. So super cute. If you don't like the smiley faces or don't like these scents, there's a million scents that you can choose from. Okay, the next, so I can't remember if I mentioned in a video or if I just said it on Instagram, but this year is going to be like the year of healing, this year of self-care. You guys know I had a baby January of 2022 and my hormones got so out of whack. I did not feel myself. So I went and got my hormones tested. They were out of whack. So I have a ton of supplements that I'm taking. I'm trying to go as natural as I can. So like try not to do any medicated stuff. So like natural, my thyroid is, I have low thyroid. So instead of going to thyroid medication, I'm trying like a more natural thyroid. Instead of going to antidepressants, I'm trying a more natural antidepressant. So because I'm on this whole protocol of vitamins and supplements, there's a freaking lot. So this is what I bought. And this is what I take when I travel. I have a separate one downstairs. This is my travel one. And the reason I love it is because I have certain vitamins I need to take on an empty stomach, and I have certain vitamins that I need to take after I eat, but in the morning, and then I have certain vitamins before I go to bed. So I have a separate little one that I use for my nighttime vitamins because I have so many daytime ones I have to take. So it's nice because I could just take whatever day it is. The first spot I put in my daytime vitamins. So these are the ones I have to take first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Then in these two slots, I do the ones that I need to take morning to mid-morning, mid-afternoon, after I eat. And so it's really nice because if I don't eat breakfast, like at the hotel or whatever, I can just throw this in my purse, and as soon as I eat breakfast or lunch, I have my vitamins with me. They don't take up a ton of space. I can make sure I'm checking which day I'm taking them. And I also like that I can change the order of these. So like this vacation trip that we just went on, we left on a Tuesday. So I reordered them so that like Tuesday was already like the first up, and then I had like the rest of my trip. For me, that was just like visually very easy to do. And then I love that it comes in a case like this. So this is super handy if you take a lot of vitamins or you have medication or whatever. I really, really like this one. I've gone through a lot of different ones, and for travel, this one has been my favorite. Okay. I'm like the bougiest sleeper. Like I have to have a fan. Every hotel we go to, I have to ask for a box fan. I have to have earplugs. I have to have my sleeping mask over my face, which I do have a video on my sleeping masks from Amazon, so I'll link that video. But I also have to have earplugs now. So these ones are really cool. These are newer ones that I got, and I really like them, and they're not in here. I'll post a picture up here because I don't know where they would have gone. Where did they go? Well, I have all the earbuds in here. So they're basically like a little earbud, kind of like an AirPod, but like much smaller, and you just pop it in your ear, and they're reusable, which is really nice. We do have like the other ones that you throw away, but these are actually super comfortable. They just sit in your ear. They block out a lot of noise, which is really nice. I'm a super sensitive sleeper, so if I'm hearing a lot of like doors slamming in a hotel or outside car noise, like I will wake up. If I hear the air conditioning coming on and off, it will wake me up. I just sleep really, really lightly after having kids, so I need earplugs and a fan. So these ones are really cool. They're called Bring On the Noise Loop Quiet, and they really are super comfortable. Again, I'll post a picture. They do come in a little white case. I got Ted them as well. So if you also need earplugs for like flights or in hotels like I do, I swear these are awesome. And then the last one that I'm going to show you is this little set. I just got another one of these. These are great for traveling for all of your things. Depending on what depending on what hotel you stay at, sometimes they have nice shampoos and conditioners, but not all that often. So I like this, that I can bring my own shampoo and conditioner, and because I have extensions, like there's definitely certain products that I like to use on them so that they stay looking good, because I've had these extensions in since like August or September. So I've had them in a very long time and they're still looking great. Typically the extensions last like 9 months and mine are still doing really well. So this one has 3 different like soft pouches, and then you have a pump top, so you could put like, I'd put a cleansing oil in this one, or you can put a cleanser, but I'd probably do a cleansing oil. And then you could put moisturizer, you could put spray. So I would typically do like a cleansing oil in the pump top. This one I might do like a hair serum, and then maybe the squirt bottle, I would do like a leave-in conditioner for my hair. And then you also have 2 little small canisters, so that would be something I would do, like one of my like facial moisturizers. You could do eye cream, but eye cream I feel like is already small. So I'd probably do like facial moisturizers or something in those ones. So I love how cute they are. I love the color of them, but these are great, super easy to travel with. And then you can also just reuse them in this package if you want, like once you have them full. But they have tons of different prints too if you don't like this one. But I really like these little carry-on things better than, like, I have the silicone ones, but those keep popping open, like the top busts off and then they leak everywhere. So these ones are really, really nice, and they're from Amazon. So that is it. Those are some of my travel must-haves. If you would like more videos of these, let me know. I plan to do like a Lululemon dupe video. I also want to do an activewear video because I have a ton of activewear that I purchased recently. And like, I don't know, if you can think of any other fun Amazon videos, like I literally buy everything off Amazon. So if you can think of any fun Amazon recommendation videos that you would like, let me know down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.